two-bedroom home. They would love it if JJ was to have her own bedroom, so that she could sleep upstairs with the rest of the family instead of downstairs all on her own. They would also like some additional space so that the other 4 sisters don't all have to share a single bedroom. So, over the last 6 months, the Berry sales team have led the way in fundraising for this. They have donated a portion of profit from every deal that we have sold up till now. The money that we have raised, we will be using to fund a lift to be put into their house, so that as JJ grows, it will be easier for Marie to be able to put her to bed every night. So let me just quickly introduce you all to Marie, Ben and JJ. Now, I'm guessing you thought you would just come in here to meet the team and celebrate obviously our 7th birthday, but we've got something a little bit more for you. Now, is on behalf of everybody here at Berry Telecom, we would like to present you a cheque to go towards the reworks and everything you need to go at your home for £18,000. We hope this goes a long way to making you the family home that you all so deserve. No, you're more welcome. Right, let's not stare anywhere, let's have a drink.